Well, our second round of rain is here, and it is going to bring a lot more flooding than the first. A lot of rivers are already at flood stage. Some have briefly receded, but they will continue to climb as we go into the next couple of days, and that is part of the reason why first alert weather days continue for tomorrow and Wednesday. However, the flooding will continue through Thursday, even Friday, especially as some of those rivers continue to swell and rise even after the rain is gone. And of course, landslide danger will be up for the remainder of the week at least, probably longer than that. How much rain has fallen so far in the past 24 hours? We received a lot of rain yesterday. So far, Olympia has picked up on another inch of rain. Tacoma, about 1/3 of an inch of rain. Seattle, about 1/2 inch. And yes, our flood watch still intact through Friday at least. Again, it's pretty rare that every single county is included in that, especially with the rain shadow. Sometimes a couple counties get left off, but that is not the case. Everyone is included in that. Here's a quick look at some of the latest live river levels. Now notice we've got a lot of major flooding. That's in the pink, and moderate flooding. Several rivers have hit major and moderate flood stage and will continue to do so. These are just a few of them. The Snohomish at Snohomish will be in that major category by Thursday. Snohomish near Monroe, Skycomish near Gold Bar was at major flooding, has receded, and will go back into major flooding as we go into Wednesday and Thursday. So again, the next couple of days, major flooding, not just flooding as expected. We also have a brand new wind advisory. This goes into effect tonight all the way through 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So some strong gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour. Keep in mind, with our ground so saturated and really oversaturated, a lot of trees, at least a couple trees, could topple down with just the right wind gust in the right direction. So spotty power outages are also possible. Not expecting anything widespread, but just want everyone to be as prepared as we can be. Here's a look at some of those wind gusts, upwards of 40, maybe 44 miles per hour. Strongest winds, by the way, will be Seattle and southward. However, a wind gust of 30 miles per hour in the North Sound or 2 is possible, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Okay, here comes that rainfall again. It kind of briefly went into Oregon. Now it's back coming at us from the south and from the west. This will continue now to bring those rivers high, some to record levels. At the top of the show, we talked about 3 that broke records already. There's going to be a whole lot more as we get into the next day or two. As we go into tomorrow morning, here we go, a wet morning commute for most of us. This rain will continue with rounds of moderate and heavy amounts of rain almost nonstop. As we go into Wednesday night and the Thursday morning, finally we see the end to it. Thursday morning, we'll begin to see a clearing from north to south. By Thursday afternoon, we should finally be dry. Rivers will continue to be rising, though, so if you live in a flood-prone area, just know not much of a break just yet. We're looking at least another 1 to 3 inches of rain across the lowlands, but in the mountains, another 5 to 10, which go directly into those rivers.